Elsa received a mysterious message delivered by the wind. The message, carried by a leaf, whispered her name and guided her to the Enchanted Forest, a place she had once visited long ago. Elsa sensed that the forest was in danger and decided to investigate. Anna insisted on joining Elsa, and together they prepared for the journey back to the Enchanted Forest. Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf also came along, eager to support their friends. The group set out on their journey, feeling a mix of excitement and apprehension. As they approached the Enchanted Forest, they noticed that the once vibrant and lively place had grown dark and silent. The trees, which used to sway joyfully, now stood still as if frozen in time. Elsa and Anna stepped into the forest, determined to uncover the cause of this eerie stillness. Deep in the forest, the group encountered the spirits of nature, but something was wrong. The spirits, once playful and full of life, now moved sluggishly, their energy drained. Elsa tried to communicate with them, but they seemed distant and unresponsive. A haunting voice echoed through the trees, calling out to Elsa. The voice led them to an ancient tree in the heart of the forest, where they found an old, enchanted mirror. The mirror showed visions of the forest's past and hinted at a powerful force that had disrupted the balance. The mirror revealed that the balance of the forest had been disturbed by a dark magic. This magic was sapping the energy from the spirits and the forest itself. Elsa realized that they must find the source of this magic and restore balance before it was too late. Elsa and Anna discovered a hidden path that led to the heart of the forest. The path was treacherous, filled with thorny vines and obstacles that seemed to appear out of nowhere. Elsa used her ice powers to clear the way, but the dark magic tried to hinder their progress. The group reached a dark clearing where the forest's energy was at its weakest. In the center of the clearing, they found a dark crystal pulsating with sinister energy. The crystal was the source of the dark magic, and it was spreading its influence throughout the forest. As Elsa approached the crystal, the dark magic reacted, creating shadowy figures that surrounded the group. These figures tried to overwhelm them, but Elsa, with Anna's support, used her magic to fend them off. However, the crystal's power was too strong for Elsa to handle alone. Seeing her sister struggle, Anna stepped forward, refusing to let Elsa face this danger alone. Anna reached out to the crystal, and her bravery and determination began to weaken the dark magic. The bond between the sisters strengthened, allowing them to combine their powers against the crystal. Together, Elsa and Anna managed to shatter the dark crystal, releasing the trapped energy back into the forest. The dark magic dissipated, and the spirits of nature regained their vitality.